In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Omnisend. If you're looking to grow your audience, a clear, on-brand sign-up form is one of the fastest wins. We'll walk through opening the form builder, picking the right format for your site, and polishing the design and fields so visitors know exactly what they're getting and how to sign up. Start by signing into your Omnisend dashboard and opening the Forms section. From there, choose Create Form. This takes you into the builder where you'll see templates and layout options. Think of this as your workspace. Everything you choose next, style, fields, and copy, begins here. Next, choose the form type that best matches your goal and where you want it to appear. A pop-up is great for capturing attention on key pages or when a visitor is about to leave. It's high visibility and perfect for time-sensitive offers or welcome discounts. An embedded form sits naturally within your page or blog, blending into your content and collecting subscribers without interrupting the browsing experience. If you prefer something more playful, a wheel or other gamified style can work well when you're promoting prizes or tiered discounts, especially during campaigns or holidays. As you choose, consider your audience and tone. Do you want a subtle, always-on collector, or a bold, can't-miss prompt? Pick the type that supports that experience. With the type selected, it's time to customize the design and fields. Start by matching the form to your brand. Use your brand colors, a legible font, and enough contrast between text and background for readability. Keep the layout clean with generous spacing so the form feels approachable on both desktop and mobile. Focus your copy. Write a concise headline that tells people what they get, such as exclusive tips or a first-order discount, and a short supporting line that reinforces the value. Make the button text action-oriented and specific, like "Join now" or "Get my discount," rather than something vague. Keep fields simple. Email should be required, and you can add optional fields like first name if personalization matters to you. Fewer fields generally mean more signups, so only ask for what you'll actually use. Use clear labels and helpful placeholder text so visitors know exactly what to enter. If you include consent language or a link to your privacy policy, keep it short and visible near the button. Before you finish, check error messages and success text so they're friendly and informative. A quick confirmation message reassures subscribers that their sign-up worked and what to expect next. That's it. Open the builder, choose the right form type, and customize design and fields for clarity and conversion. You now have a polished sign-up form ready to grow your list.